Yesterday, one of my students asked me how to use the definite article the. This is what we're going to speak about today. How do we use the word the? In English, we sometimes use the article and sometimes omit it. It all depends on whether we are speaking about something in general or something specific. For example, if we say books are expensive, we are speaking about books in general. So we omit the article. But when we say the books I bought were expensive, we are referring to some specific books that we bought maybe yesterday. In this case, we do use the article because we are speaking about something in particular. Here are a couple of examples of specific meaning. These are my students. As you can see, on the left, the students are making fun of me. Well, on the right, the students are having fun, and one of them is wearing a wig. On the other hand, when we are speaking about students in general, we omit the article the. So if you have a look at the two photos here, the two pictures, on the right you can see a group of students who are taking an exam, and the statement, students get stressed when they have too many exams. We are speaking about students in general. On the left-hand side, you can see a pie chart, and the statement is students prefer physical education to English. Once again, we are speaking about students in general, so we omit the article the. Here is a little exercise for you. You can practice using the article. Just remember that when we are speaking about something in general, we omit it. When we are speaking about something specific, we use the article the. Pause the video and practice doing this exercise. You have to decide whether you want to use the article or omit it. Here is the answer key. Cats can climb trees because we are speaking about cats in general. The cats were hungry, so I fed them. Specific. I don't like apples in general. The apples have gone moldy. We should buy some more. Specific. Books are too expensive. General. The books were too expensive, so I couldn't buy them. Specific. Let's have a look at singular nouns. We use the with singular nouns when we are making general statements. For example, the whale is a mammal. But we can also use the plural without the article. For example, whales are mammals. We use the article the with musical instruments. For example, I play the piano, the drums, and the guitar. But we do not use the article the with sports. For example, I play football, but I can't play volleyball. Let's pause the video once again and decide whether to use the article or omit it. Here is our key, our answers. French people love playing rugby. We are speaking about a sport, so we use no article. Italians prefer football. Once again, sport, no article. My cousin plays the flute, musical instrument. I would really love to play the cello, musical instrument. Some places in particular, like school, university, college, hospital, church, jail, are particular. So they may be preceded by the article or they may not be preceded by the article. Let's have a look at when they are and when they are not. Some other places are generally preceded by the article. Here is a list of examples. Obviously, there are many, many more, but it's just to give you an idea of when you can be sure that you will have to use the article the. Helen is at school. She is a teacher there. Luca and Vincent are at college. They are students there. Julian is going to church. He is going to a service. My student's father is in jail. He is a prisoner. I suppose the last one is not a very good example, but they're all situations in which we do not use the article. Let's have a look at when we do use the article. The school is 3 kilometers from her house. The school as a building. We met in front of the college. The building. The appointment is in front of the church. Once again, we are speaking about the building. The police officers have gone to the prison to speak to a prisoner. They have gone to the place as visitors. Generally, singular nouns referring to places are preceded by the article the. For example, the cinema, the theatre, the library, the bookshop, the restaurant, the pub, the bar, the office, the town hall, the park, the fun fair, the shop, the supermarket, the shopping centre, the station, the airport, and so on. When we are talking about things that are unique, because there is only one of them, we use the article the. For example, the environment, the earth, the planet, the solar system, the sun, the moon, the sky, the atmosphere, the greenhouse effect, the weather, the government of our country, the prime minister, etc. And to conclude and to have a clear picture of when we should use the article the, here is a list of things that are unique and that are always preceded by the article the. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click on like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.
Thank you.